Hayley from Kinfolk Decor here. So what I wanted to do today was just give you a really quick show of these amazing lanterns that we've got in the shop at the moment. They are so large, I think is one of the main things, which maybe doesn't come across on the store. But what's really great about them is they're in this beautiful white colour and perfect for summer, and then they've got this fantastic, like lovely leather handle. Now my plan was to show you this on an amazing sunny day, but obviously, as you can see, I'm sure like much of the place all over the country at the moment it is just pouring with rain. So we're not able to go outside and make our amazing living room spaces outdoors, but we can be ready for when the sun appears. And what's lovely about these is even in the winter time when we're not making living room spaces outdoors, we can use these indoors as well, which is really cool. So they have got this glass canister that goes inside, where you can stand your candle, a real candle if that's what you want to do. Also, of course, you will know about the really handy little LED candles that you can get, which are maybe a bit safer if you've got children running around and that kind of thing. So you can just, this one's a little bit too small, but you'd get a bigger size and then just pop that in there, and then you get a lovely glow on an evening. Or alternatively, outside or inside, amazing like little pliable like copper string LEDs. These are just from like Sainsbury's, I think. So you just pop those straight in like that, and then you can just pop the battery pack there. And I'm not going to switch it on because it will cause odd lighting on the video. But then you've just got a really nice, all of that will kind of disappear at night time, you won't be able to see the wires, and then you've got just like a really nice lovely glow in there without having to use a candle. So you might pop that down by your outdoor rattan sofa, or you might pop it down inside to make a really nice glow indoors, but whereas a perfect place and a really great place is in the bathroom. If you're creating a spa-like bathroom and you're trying to give yourself like a really nice kind of lovely relaxing time, if you just pop that on a side table by the bath or even just down on the floor, pop your little LEDs on and you've got like a ready-made little addition to your spa bathroom. So that was it really. I just wanted to show you those, wanted to give you a sense of the scale. They're in stock, they're available now, free delivery. And we just know they're going to be really popular as soon as the sun comes out, so just grab one while you can. Thanks guys, bye!